Mala ka chang dar chai nyor ka dung dit media ka chang ka bada ka pai wal karon kin dang rau di jan dang rau de diech. An mak bangut gok be nong la di la no yen chang ka dung dit media ka tin tua ka junub Sudan ka no win mon da dien. Dung dit media ma gwa la ro kon ko tung no ram la lar ne yen chang yen ne ko ko ro le ne tin gor ko ne ka dung dit media ko mi ran jo ma la ja ko online lenge ka be share ka be like and we share cái share like bene ne wan kan ne kon le tung no an ba ga chup ka be media dan be kam ne al bala gwa leng mo ga kan ne kon tung din media la no yak bar she ka news kitin jaro la wala ga junub Sudan kan win mon do den la no ya den ne kitin chi tuo ko re ju ga junub Sudan kan win mon do den la no ya analysis kitin jaro de lat kan tin baro de lat ka junub Sudan la no ya par pal story ni ku wini ku kumni ku personalities kana kor te to wi no ken ko no gwaleng mo go am go ru ko ndial bana latin bana kamnyal ko bala gwaleng mo go ne kon an wala ga changa badaga pai wal dung din media barai ga ye kati chop ko no wan ke diech tin nyam de ba ra jodien atala ne ala ri chang ka kon nin ko jis dial kana wang dial ta ga jube lenga mana la roda ko courtroom ka jube la luk doctor yang machar karne dang baro te cha ka kel so wala dana ga changan badak dien ka nyur so tel mo ga ma cha leng tin go ya na ngai and media coverage cha kap chong ko gwa ma bar to gwa mi je information ni re lwa gwa na ta na luk tin la wa je ne bat mi luku to so antam me te ban latin bala ne te yer lat ko ne te chuwa se ga chang e jok dien la chang ka baro ko nyur te yer latin tin de ko le speculate ko bo to ko wala record ko nyur ndo dien ko la nyur ba dag dien so akel de ban wa jode mi she ka number 1 ka la ro kon mara uda e o ban wa ke expectation ko court ko ngone bala to wale ko ngone bala to no more in connection with number 1 na chaka rajode so the revision of prosecution team ko bagar bias take on they just presented again la document ken te cha come presiding judge so the investigation result so the death certificate so the suspension order so the arrest warrant take on de kwale yen gare. So the issue of out-of-post report, an artificially generated audio, are rejected the court, so that we cannot bring it to speculation. No wale. So no speculation who does certificate de change, our question in change done, that we see the discussion of last day, a labar audience, the join from Tabang 1, Lada Tawat, Wakataro. So the question de Benial, a certificate ni chika bailet. The defense team of Dr. Yang Machar, eligibility and la legality base, cha question again. Laga jo that certificate, be a god doctor me after post-mortem examination, ko ra nangu, naga barmai, chimwana yen year, naga bot, kuchwa lady by name. No more one of particularities to go one of death certificate. Again, but a deployment indication. Yani better go order malar yang up. Ta deploy a chang maga nasser. Can core matar motega nasser physically with the deployment letter. Ngakbo, but I can not ID card. You know the years in the South Sudanese. Mujud, Mishima should more ghost name. So Toropan Jagatage, a defense team of Dr. Yang Machar, and they were subjected to cross-checking. Kobagas cross-check, parasiting judge, the result can they would lodge wale. So that is one of strong speculation that we expect from the court wale. Ko bakan result of investigation ni of death certificate ni of suspension order of arrest warrant. Taman look wa na ne chunga tin long a position of Dr. Young Machar can convince, can accept the legality of the court. Can investigation results can accept. Forget about death certificate. Death certificate, anything related to Nasser incident. Jakamji Ijaimak, a responsibility then. That was argument in the court. Mungut case 10 year one. Tell way forward, make order ni rejected. So we wait for it. What will be the results of today? Like it session, you remember that day and one. And we'll be on the TJ demo. Mandi audience, RJ Mac, they declared a peace agreement to collapse. She could take an extraordinary session, which I held yesterday. Tita can guarantee peace partners. Element of African Union, element of UN, element of American Embassy and other trica country, plus Minister of Justice of South Sudan. So you chairman of RJ Mac, the deliberation jalat on the status of the peace agreement. She acknowledge clear peace agreement jadak. Again, Chawon Yamgo peace agreement me jadak. Mono positions of the revitalized transitional government of national unity is checky. The more the peace agreement, the more the government of Salva Kiir expire. Because we always say, because of the peace agreement. Me peace agreement may adak. Manatu Manukume Kiir expire. These two things I acknowledge RJ Mac yesterday. Jagalat. Me Jagalat. Chegak. Chenung. Minister of Justice, we know him, and constitutional development, Gajunup. Mental case, politically motivated case, meditated, the Gareda Nekuja anon, and charges. So, la cake. Charoy ala the RJ Mchello, Jaga threatened, Kungula Janto. So, within the same extraordinary session, they don't know. Check claim RJ Mac is an outsider, a case of court proceeding. Yes, as you forget, RJ Mac check a question on legality of the special court in relation to peace agreement as a part of which Malchadak. So, the warning on an outsider, Mr. RJ Mac. Right about the court proceeding in the courtroom. No more actual court contempt. So court contempt mean the RJ make a daily blue can. They talk outside of the court. Case is not subjected to discussion outside. So you are which is a threat. They are in position to justify it. Or and man Canada. RJ make bang through court. Right down a lot of court. Coachella the working all these things that related to accusation of today. The issue of Nasser. I'm responsible RJ with it mechanism, organization citizen. Can I conduct carry forth about peace agreement violation, you can ceasefire. So RJ Magaya in this position, it will be called a court. Kobe declare, oh yes, Mal Chadak. Oh no, Maldak is one of the chapter. Political landscape of South Sudan. Go the way forward because you are over now, Michimal Michadak. So that is one thing. We know they go on and whatever they are trying, tell me life along. Because there is no different. Can call that can win. There is a fighting going on. Kabar Gazelle, Kurmin in Kabi. In come as Piala Mayu can as Piala my G element. Take on this unify post. Shabanangane from Juba, from around Juba, Shako Nangaka Abi. That was very confused. Now Raja long, because unify post was not ready for deployment in that very far place. So she knew to one Chikuwaka be get that processed. Now, to what talk be a issue of women or not women. To what talk? To call it talk again, a be. Can worry anything to a target. Check nang na, na. They try to defend themselves. They were not able. Tell me they are heading to somewhere. So Jaga displays card be. And that situation que brawl somewhere. She around Juba. Come we all in the situ. The situ take some issues to the Tintiang because there is the same group of unified BIP protection. Mitewini. So like and SPLMIG they are trying to the weaknesses of SPLMIO and will tell like a long winning who they exploit again. They want to start fighting Tennessee too. So the now follow it is one of security development around Juba. Mele Road. Yes, in summary, let's go the session of today. Last session about Dagdian, court hearing. Jaka underway ke Juba. Tell us to channel link, like in our speculation. You telephone the alcohol jaka confiscate. Pan mean nana man lo link je. Pan we after Michi court. Me talk. Which are suspended. I mean which are John je. Then we will be waiting for it. Any step that is taken, managing. So Katikon la nega ko talk expected deliberation. The con the one. We talk of the document I submit to the government. I mean to the presiding judge, persecuting team of government. So they were subjected to verification. Go back cross check. But token can didn't go question. So today, kind of corner they were known as the content of the court. Kaichang and Badak Dianama. Come take additional information that will happen. Manila will care. So, men do the new RJ make declare official and peace agreement to collapse. And therefore, me peace agreement collapse among the government of South Sudan to collapse because it is connected with the peace agreement. So instead, Menamo, the young Gelodian Cello. So Michelle, the Minister of Justice, Chang Agaredo Nomo, the right, allow quick and bodies, allow guarantors, quick threat, who would ugly blue. Lara Yo discussion of issues teaching and raw court to Balarar, Manatu, a court content. So the dialogue manacholo Kenyan Changawalme, Malawi Yoga Tiang, one down in Alwinjoko court, go ban Rwine con la Rodiantin, Banakaling. So Jan de Conacholo can akbar Changawalme, Kiloda Ted, Tang, go Yagoling.